hate taking videos. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode, and in today's episode I'll be talking about the warehousing industry and the logistic industry and how barcode scanning has evolved from using the traditional pistol barcode scanner to using mobile phones. So right here I actually have the accessories. I don't actually have the phone, but imagine there's a phone right here, the X Cover 5. So this is the phone, and at the front is a infrared laser camera. For those people who are working in the warehousing or logistic industry, they can actually just push this button, this side button, to scan the front codes. So let's say, for example, I actually have a phone here. I can bring my phone over here, push the green button, and instantly it'll capture the barcode. Now, a lot of the warehousing and logistic companies are using rugged devices for their barcode scanning device, because if we were to use a traditional barcode scanner, we can't do much with it except for scanning the barcodes. Now, why do you want to spend 1,000 or a couple of hundreds for a single device that only do barcode scanning, where you can spend the same amount of money that you purchase a phone that can open WhatsApp, call other people. You can do much more, including scanning barcodes, way better than the traditional barcode scanner. So that's one of the benefits of using rugged devices in the warehousing and logistic industry. As for the second type of barcode scanning, it's not by using these accessories, it's by using Samsung Knox Capture. So Samsung Knox Capture is a software that allows you to turn any mobile phones, any Android mobile phones by Samsung, into a powerful scanning device. So if you can see here, there's two barcodes. Now, if you were to use a traditional one, like for example this Accessory barcode scanner, you have to scan twice to register two barcodes. So if you were to use Samsung Knox Capture, you can capture these two barcodes in one single capture. That is Samsung Knox Capture. So you can capture more than 3 or maybe like 4 barcodes in one single picture, and it's really good because you can turn any mobile phones into a powerful scanning device. It can be a $500 phone or $600 phone, it's totally up to you. So there are two types. The first type is by attaching a accessories. The second type is by using Samsung Knox Capture software. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and leave a like.